Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I'm going to check out the Skyline Drive-in. There should be some cool cars there, some electric motorcycles from the company Cake, and a couple of other guys from the NYC Zooz Club. So we'll see how it goes.
Hey yo, the world full of dreamers, man, and I don't wanna be the next one standing on the sideline watching all the checks come. I wanna be the best one, earn respect from everybody in the game, everyone know my name. Cause if I don't get my shot, I'm finished. Put my heart and soul in this, gotta handle my business as God my witness. I feel the devil there too, waiting for a moment of weakness so he can come through. What the fuck I'm gonna do? Sometimes I feel hopeless. Gotta try and stay focused when evil approaches, or you might disappear like Hocus Pocus. Keep your eye on the prize, gotta stay ferocious. Now all my life I've been running away, but not today. I'ma fight the demons away, and I pray that some way I could see a better day. Cause I be going insane and I'm needing a change. So do I? Or should I? Or would I? But I'ma keep fighting cause I know I'll survive. Yo, the world is hard, no one said it would be easy. I always said I'd be famous, but nobody believed me. Now everybody take notice before they couldn't see me. Try to live life right, cause these kids, they wanna be me. Cause you a role model soon as you're stock.
Yeah, how's it going, man? Good to see you. Beautiful day for this, huh?
Yeah. You know these guys?
No. Wow, check them out. How's it going?
What's going on, Ryan?
Nice to meet you, Vinny.
Vinny? Nice to meet you, Vinny.
Wow.
You run the page, right?
Yeah. Wow.
Come, know the enemy. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Check these out.
I'm kidding. We love everyone equally. You met Chris, you know Chris? Yeah. So it's like...
Their settings, or is it just...
No, it's all tuned up the way it's got to be.
Yeah. 70 miles, 80 miles, high drive-in.
And is top end speed theoretical, in that, like, if you're going downhill, there's a freewheel and you can go as fast as you
I
like?
got it to
or
almost
is there
41.
anti-braking?
You got 41.
41. 40.9.
I mean, on a flat plane, this one I've gotten like 28. Yeah. But if you're coming from BMX, then you might like the clickability of that one.
Yeah, BMX was...
That one's like
ago,
light.
but,
Yeah.
Very dirt biking these days.
Yeah, how you doing?
I'm good.
Wife let you out?
Yeah.
Nice.
She went to the beach today.
Oh, what beach?
Coney. She went out to Coney.
We got to do Coney.
Yeah, for sure. That's beautiful. Is this a Superbird over here? Oh, that's a Charger. Damn.
Wow. Okay, those are the two.
Fucking
entrance
Mopar just
too,
rolled up.
Right, the entrance.
Right on the waterfront, you got a breeze. It should be nice over there. Oh, here, I'll take that.
Beautiful.
Oh, hey, that's I remember you.
How do you know the guys on the car? How do you do that?
That's what car guys do, man. You know about the cars, you know? That's what we do.
Suicide doors. I like that skull in the front. That's cool. What's up?
How you doing?
How are you?
No, I'm just chilling, man.
Fucking nice day.
Did you ride it yet?
No.
No?
No. I'm a little afraid, to be honest.
Me too.
I'm scared. I'll probably fucking wipe out. Break it, you buy it. What's up?
You brought cashews.
I brought cash.
Good to meet you.
Likewise. Let me.
Oh, you brought the pup.
I don't have a
Oh.
kickstand, so I have to lean this up against the trash can and take this phone so no one drags it.
Seat's looking good.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Thank you. It stains very easily when you lean it against something. It'll stain like crazy.
I'm Max.
Steve, nice to meet you.
Does it clean easy?
Nice to meet you. I just bought Simple Green, which is what they recommended, so I will let you know.
All right.
Nice.
Because it's like a
Let 'em down,
rubberized
so it
material,
doesn't
right?
slip off.
Yeah, it looks cool.
What is this? Is that? That's cool. Is this like something you put on there? What is this green thing?
Oh, that's the two-piece rotor. So they bolt on in different spots, and it's
That's not stock.
no.
No, that rotor I replaced because after my accident, the whole bike was mangled, everything was bashed up. I got hit by a car, yeah.
You were in a coma.
I had 3 skull fractures, I was in a
man.
coma for a while, I had to relearn how to speak, how to walk, everything.
When was that?
June 9th of last year,
It's crazy.
I've
On
come a long
your
way.
bike, on the Zooz.
on this bike. I'm very grateful to
Back
just be
on the-
fucking alive right now.
Yeah. Back on the horse.
Yeah,
Yeah,
It's
seriously.
my first time riding with the dog on the bike since then.
Man, that's crazy.
I swear to God, I saw the pictures. If I didn't know that, if those pictures didn't exist, I wouldn't believe it.
Right. Okay. You don't remember it.
I have no memory of the first 90 days.
Wow.
Like, I don't remember what the hospital looked like, nothing.
Any? What do you got? Sure. Yeah.
Good to see you. You gonna ride one of these fucking cakes or what?
That's why I'm here. I ain't here for no damn car shows.
That's what I just said.
We got another Gen Zero over there with you.
Alright.
We got 2 Gen Zeros,
Cool. You ever ride
some Gen 1s.
That's the one that
Good dude.
He's a really good man. He gave a shit.
This guy?
Yeah.
This one here is
The old
That
model,
too,
they're
then.
different than
Do a wheelie, Rich.
And like he sent it to me. That's my original
I'm ready
seat
to
that
go.
I
What do I
really
need
because
to
there was a
sign?
huge hole in it.
He created this. Brought people together.
It looks smooth.
the throttle thing for me.
I've been riding motorcycles.
Alright, good.
for 30 years.
Awesome. I'm gonna put my 360. Did you get it off the stand?
Yeah, I will.
Little electric moped.
Yeah.
You want to race?
I like how this one's kind of longer. It's like,
Yeah.
Dude, this one, if you look at the
whoa,
YouTube
look at how
videos
big
of
the
this
motor is.
Yeah.
look at the YouTube videos of them going through the woods, going fishing with it.
Yeah.
This thing is a
this
utility
thing is very
workhorse.
nice.
Like that one is more
The
for
suspension?
its own thing.
I'm riding over things.
That one.
That I think it's an Impala SS.
No, which one? That's a Nova.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, around, you know, get up to 60.
It's time.
I'll be fine.
You'll be fine.
Give us some horn.
Give me some unicycle. Let's see it.
Because like I do it for work.
Oh. That's great. Awesome.
Thank you guys.
Have a good one, man. Good to meet you.
Yeah, so good to meet you. Tell Chris give him my best.
I will.
Alright, man. I'm so
Are you around Tuesday? He'll be at the Two Wheel Tuesday thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to bring my girlfriend to that.
Chris will.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to bring him to that. I would love it if someone's doing brake bleeds. Yeah, like everything's okay. Just wanted to check on it.
Yeah.
I'll see you guys
All
on
right.
Tuesday.
Great to meet you.
Take care, guys.
Later.
Ready?
Go this way.
Yeah. There he goes. Oh, weird. My brake sensor's staying on. Tory shade. So, my brake is like real tight now. But it's, you know what happens is like, it's like the brake sensor stays on so the motor doesn't spin. I had that once before, but I adjusted it out. So I got to try to do that again.
I'm loving it, for sure.
What's up?
Yeah,
Look at this. We got the whole fucking squad out. Good to see you, man. This is a good spot, I think.
Great spot.
Yeah.
There's a roof. Okay.
Yeah, there's a roof. There's 4 really awesome pinball machines inside. I should probably play.
So it's constantly cutting the motor, or no?
Yeah, it cuts the motor because the digital thinks that the brake is depressed.
Hear any noise when you're riding, when you're coasting?
No.
Good, you shouldn't have this much play in your fucking lever, that's for sure.
It's grabbing super hard
Just
though.
unplug it, dude. This one right here.
There you go.
Oh.
Yeah, the orange one. Now we're good.
Valve, right?
Yeah.
You don't need that.
I don't, and I might just cap it. Because this gave me some trouble a few months back. I had to take it all apart and recenter the magnet and clean it out with the Q-tip. Yeah, I was on the phone with that guy, Sunshine. He was like walking me through it.
His name's Sunshine?
Yeah, yeah. He's a good dude.
I like him, yeah.
All right, guys. Ride safe. See you Tuesday.
Good to see you.
Good to see you. Ride safe, man. I'll Dropbox you that footage. We'll figure out something. I'm gonna go to Williamsburg.
Let's go to Williamsburg.
Yeah. All right.
Yo, we're gonna hit the Williamsburg.
All right. Max, ride safe. Good seeing you, man.
See you on Tuesday.
Yes.
Tuesday later, bro. Yes.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I'm like, oh nah, I gotta get this. The way we were moving. You know what? Fuck that. I should fuck it, right? Should I do it?
No, put it in.
Put
Do
it
it.
in,
Do
right?
what you got to do. We got time. You know what I get a lot of, like on this, the like black road. Hey, what's
Oh my
up?
God.
How's it going? Good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you. What you guys doing?
Nina, this is Rich. Patrick.
Hey.
Patrick, Rich. Nina is a fellow Instagram foodie.
So funny. I have to take a selfie right now. Oh wait, it's all smudgy. All right. Well,
How you doing?
Good, good. Yeah, I'm on the way to the Spaniard. Have
Okay.
brunch with Heidi. Yeah.
Nice.
It's like a bartender's last shift, so
Awesome.
yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah, all right, we'll have fun.
You getting the burger?
I don't know. I think we're definitely getting steak and eggs.
All right.
Yeah. But
Cool.
We'll see.
All right. Have fun.
All
Good
right,
seeing you.
Yeah, good to see you.
Yeah, I get a lot of like road tar down here. Like,
Oh.
yeah.
Not scraping, but
Yeah, but yeah, it takes a good rubbing to get it off. You good?
I'm good.
All right. We dusted him. Maybe he went to Revzilla. Oh no, I think I see him, yeah.
Sticky pack, motherfuckers.
You too, man.
Be good.
Ride safe. I'll see you soon.
Yes.
See you Tuesday, right? You gonna try to come through?
Try my best.
All right. Cool. All right.
Be good, guys.
See you. So that's it for today's ride. Got to check out some cool old cars. Saw cake bikes. Man, they look like a lot of fun. Our guys really like the dirt bike inspired one. Good crew. Steven, Max, Patrick, Rich, Jay. Thanks for watching.